Welcome back. This is Danielle from Explore Yourself Natural. I wanted you guys to come along on a day in the life of a full-time bath and body small business. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is just making some aloe vera body butter, which you see right here. This is one of my top sellers all throughout the year, especially in person when people get to test it. All of the cool down ingredients are going in. And I make sure that we're blended completely and it's nice and fluffy. All right, so they're all packaged up, nice and clean, and then we're going to get to labeling. I make all of my labels exclusively through online labels, the Maestro labeling. I find it extremely easy to use. All of my labels are in the same place for designing, and you can cut and paste from one label to the other if you needed to. You can duplicate them. It's seamless. I really enjoy that program. And now we will be starting shower steamers. I do not use menthol in my shower steamers. I find them too harsh for me. I have a difficulty breathing just using them alone, never mind making them. So I do my shower steamers with a high percentage of essential oils, and I really like them. Customers seem to enjoy them a lot as well. But I do still wear a mask. I keep a vent on in my kitchen as well as my bathroom, and I have my sliding door open just so I'm not around too much essential oil. Shower steamers were quite difficult for me. I'd gone through a lot of recipes that were recommended, that people said were wonderful, and I just still wasn't satisfied with it. So this is my own personal recipe, and I really, really like it a lot. They produce mini 1-ounce steamers, and they last a solid 15 minutes in the shower, which I really like. And we are back the next day to wrap up these steamers. And this is the size of these shower steamers. They're 1 ounce and they are hard as rocks. Thank you so much for watching Day in the Life with me. I feel like I got a lot accomplished in that 24 hours. And what you don't see is so much computer work. It's one of the things that I dislike the most, essentially, besides doing like the financials, is computer work. I'm not super computer savvy, so I do struggle a lot with that. And I did do in 2 videos ago, I think I had showed you guys the baby shower soaps. I had made those quite some time ago, so they're ready to be wrapped, but I wanted to show you what the outcome was. They're little 2-ounce soaps. So this is what it looked like. It looks just like the invitation. And this is just a mock-up, so I'll be using like a nice thick cardboard for it. But I thought they came out really, oh, are we?
really cute. So that I spent a little bit of time yesterday on the computer, and I need to update a lot on my website. I have a lot of stuff that's out of stock, which is okay. It just looks messy. So I have to deactivate a handful of things before my summer launch. Just so when you're looking through it, it's not like out of stock, which is I'm thankful for, but also it just looks messy and disorganized. So hopefully that will be done in the next week. But I did want to just hop on, say thank you for coming along, watching the video. And if there's any type of video or something you'd like to talk about, if there's a particular subject you want to know more of or talk about, let me know. Or if you just want straight up, show me what you're making type of videos, I'm happy to do both, one or the other. I would love to hear what your thoughts on, and tell me what you did this week, what you made for a product. I would love to hear. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. See you next Thursday. Bye.